Before the world began, the darkness roamed the land. My God, you knew my name, you had a plan for me. So I trust in your will and in your way, oh God, 'cause I know that you have a plan, you see the way before me. So how could I worry about what may come, about what may come, no worries about what I face. So how could I worry about what may come, about what may come, no worries about what I face. So my trust is in you, God, God my King. So my trust is in you, God, God my King. So my trust is in you, God, God my King. I will not worry, 'cause I got you, God my King. I will not worry, 'cause I know you got me steady. And I know you never leave me solo. I know you are with me, so where you lead me, I'll follow. And where you send me, I'll go, no hesitation. No, no, no. I can't ever worry about what may come, about what may come. No worries about what I face. I can't ever worry about what may come, about what may come. No worries about what I face. Oh. So my trust is in you, God, God my King. Lord, my trust is in you, God, God my King. And my trust is in you, God, God my King. And I will not worry, 'cause I got you, God my King. Maker of heaven and all the earth, I know you are God my King. I know you're mine, you know that I'm yours. I know you are God my King. Nothing compares to your sweet love. I know you are God my King. Jesus my Savior, Jesus my Lord, I know you are God my King. I will not worry, 'cause I know you got me steady. And I know you never leave me solo. I know you are with me, so where you lead me, I'll follow. And where you send me, I'll go, no hesitation. No, no, no. So my trust is in you, God, God my King. So my trust is in you, God, God my King. So my trust is in you, God, God my King. I will not worry, 'cause I got you, God my King.
Life can change suddenly, but with Sukoon, you're always protected. We are the trusted choice for 1.
Follow me to go. Follow me to go. When I call, you're always there. You always answer me. Oh yeah. You're always there with me through any and every season. You are my guide. So how could I worry when you are for me, for me? Your grace is all I see, your favor's all around me. You are always there for me. I will not worry, oh no, no. Oh yeah, yeah. So I'm sure goodness and mercy always follow me. Follow me. Oh, your grace and your favor surrounds me. Follow me. You are all around me. Yeah. All around me. All around. You are all around me. All around.
What's up, chat? What's up, gang? How you guys doing? Good morning. Happy Friday, everybody. What's up, Sing? How you guys doing? What's up, Julius? How you doing? Morning, morning. Drop some energies in the chat. Let's see who's here. Let's go.
Lord, you never cease to amaze me. To know love is to know you, Lord, you are ever faithful and true. Yes, you are. Lord, you are for me, so no one can stand against me. You're full of mercy. Lord, you never cease to amaze me. Yeah, yeah. Follow me, dear God. Yeah. Follow me, dear God. Follow me, dear God. Follow me, dear God. Oh, goodness and mercy. Follow me, dear God. Always follow me. Yeah. Your grace and your favor surrounds me. You are all around me. Oh yes, all around me. Oh, your favor follows me. Your grace all around me. Oh, yeah. Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you.
So much beauty, so much splendor. Praise you, God, like what shall I render? Who is like you? There's no contender. I give you my all, to you I surrender. No words that are fitting to describe you. Searched all around and there's really none like you. How am I supposed to describe the creator of the universe in a 16-bar verse? Like where do I start with the one who begins and ends? The one who life itself depends. Let me try here. Look. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone.
Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you. Much less, my God, nobody can contest your greatness. You're the greatest. As great as you are so loving and kind. I sing praises to you most high. I am that I am, I glorify. I praise you forever and ever and ever and ever. God of the universe, so loving, you put me first, you put me first. All I see is you.
I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone.
Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles. I never defend myself for approval from strangers.
Yo, Chad, what's
When they don't
up,
give a
Chad?
damn
How you
about
guys
my
doing
kids.
this morning?
So you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need a
Good
raise
morning,
like this.
Chad.
To think I prayed for the world to be back
Natalia,
over.
how you doing?
Just to
Good
lose both of
morning.
my grandparents to COVID.
Good morning.
And
Good
pray for every
morning.
one of my little cousins who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad. Cause growing up, he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say, like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him, the push would still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, H, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight.
Good morning, Jagna. How you doing? Let's see who's here. Drop some energies in the chat, gang. Let's go. Let me see in the chat who's here. Damn, yesterday we moved 1,000 pip. Holy 1,100 pip. Can you look at that? 1,100 pip melt on the gold. Sup, JC? John, how you doing? W Day sing, W Day. Let's go, man. Let's go. All right, give me a second here. All right, we good. We good, chat. Sounds good. Music is good. The background music is good. Let me know in the chat before we start the top-down analysis here. All right, good. Thank you, John. John is getting W today. Oh, yesterday too. Oh, what's this? U.S. government data may be impacted by the shutdown and the events are just too delayed. Damn. Chat, this kind of what's it called, this shutdown, if you know the government of US come back on the businessmen, you will see we're gonna see the move. We're gonna see the volume will come in like 1 minute candle, like a candle news, right? When this US government go back again on the business, man, that was really like, Trump win, kind of same volume. So yeah, let's do the top down here. So yeah, let's start with the weekly time frame. So the weekly is about to close. We still have 13 hours and 10 minutes for this candle to close. And yeah, we move, I'd say 1,700 pip on the weekly candle. Now, I need to ask myself if we can, flip bearish today. We still have 800. I'd say once this candle, we don't have bottom wick here, right? Open on the wick. But we still have 800 pips to move down even further, right? And as you can see, the daily, how many pip we move on the daily? For almost 500 pip move on the daily time frame. And so there is a high chance, okay, on the daily. So we have resistance form here. We have resistance form. and we didn't re-break the previous candle low here. And if we're gonna re-break the previous candle low, you know what will happen, right? There is a high chance that we can move down even further, retest some lows on the left hand side, right? But as you can see, there's no re-break yet. All right, the price is hovering around here. The price hovering around 3968 area. If we're gonna drop down to the 4 hour, okay, so the 4 has a resistance. I'm not gonna use that resistance. We have new here. We have resistance here, and I'd say the support. Yeah, we have levels here that created. As you can see here onto the left hand side here, we have minor levels on price that reacted. As you can see, the 4 hour time frame, right? We have the levels here that we need to be aware of. And as you can see, the 4 hour time frame, we have 1, 2, 3 wicks already. So this kind of support is a little bit tough because reacting, as you can see, tapping what's the price of this? 3949, 3950. Once you tap that, there's always some reactions. Okay, we always see reactions on this 3949, 3950 area, right? So let's see on the hourly time frame. Hourly time frame, okay. Damn. Hourly time frame, resistance, support. This is the overall range on price here right now. We have, let's say, I would say 400 pip range. Then the hourly candle here, a little bit ugly. As you can see how the candle closed, the same. Damn. 30 minutes. Okay, the 30 minutes. Huge wick, huge wick. We're moving up. Okay, 15. Let's see. Yeah, the 15. So probably we're gonna use 15 today. 15 minutes time frame. Then we almost fill the range here. This is a nice range. Right, resistance here. This is the overall range. Damn. We move a lot. 150, 160 pip move on the 15 minutes candle. How many pip we can move down here? 100 pip. We still have range. We still have good range. I'm gonna mark this as my support. Okay, it's my support. Support, and this might be my resistance right there. Okay, let's see on the 30. Yeah, it's the same, right? So the 30 and 15 is correlate right now on the 4 hour. So the 4 hour, yeah, we have some rejections weak on the left hand side. So this is gonna be interesting here, chat. We have resistance here, and we're tapping 3975 here again. 160 pip range. 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour is pushing down. 4 hours flipping bullish. Right there, I'd say. Yeah, there is a high chance we can we can tap this before reactions, But let's see here. Once you tap this 3975, yeah, because we didn't fill the range in the left, but you have structure here, right? We have higher highs, higher lows now. This, right? But didn't push through this. This one didn't push through here to re-break the lows, right there. But yeah, let's see here. 3975. Probably once you tap that, because we create some structure, the same trades that we always taking, right, in the resistance area. Where's the resistance area? The same trade of this, right? Same trade, yeah. See, as you can see, the same, right? The same. So same this. Let's see here, gang. Can we tap that? Oh, almost chat. Almost. Once you re-break that, we might have potential sells. Re-break the high there, man. Didn't push through on the line. You should push here on the line. You should tap this and yeah. 5 minutes reacted. Let's see your chat. Let's see. We just, start the live stream. Make sure you drop some likes and subscribe to the channel. All right, gang. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me know. One more re-break there. Once you re-break this, yeah, we might have potential cells here. And just probably early open. Yeah. Early open. Right, chat. Pay attention for candles. Candles are pushing. Candles are pushing, gang. Once you tap this 3974 or 3975, that would be the entry. And stop should be above this high, 32 pip stops, probably 35 pips up. I don't want to put the sell stop here because I just want to execute it. There's a high chance you can, slip. Boom. Candles push up. Pay attention right now. We're pushing up. We're pushing up, chat. Okay. Can we re-break that? Okay, chat. I'm entering a sell here right now as we plan to tap this area. And yeah. Let's see if we're going to move down today. My stop, I'm going to keep above this high on the left-hand side. And I'm going to probably target below this. Oh, damn, pushing up. Very quick. We're going to target below this. Okay, we're going to move the stop once this candle top 3972 there. Let's see, chat. Nice reactions here on the 5 and the 15. Can we move down even further? Can we move down? All right. Closing half of the position here, chat, at 18 pips. And I'm moving stops to break even here right now as we plan. Moving stop to break even. Nice trade once again here, chat. Right, as you can see, tap this area. I close half of the position. And I let it run towards to the downside here. There is a lot of volume here, chat. The volume is voluming today, gang. If you got the same trade with me, W's in the chat. Yeah. Let me put this at the break even first. Damn. Still moving. It's still moving, chat. Yeah, my close full right here, chat. 30 pips. W's in the chat. 30 pips. Holy smokes. W, gang. W. Holy. That was nice trade, chat. That was a nice trade. As you can see, how the candles stop, how the candles react. That's super snipe. The super snipe still. Holy 45 pips. If you still holding the trade, gang, yeah, W everybody. Make sure you drop some likes, subs to the channel. Damn. Damn, bro. W, bro. Damn. W, gang. W. Welcome to Sniper Street. Yeah, welcome to the YouTube live stream, gang. Still early today. Still early, but we still got the trade. So, close full 30 pips. Yeah, it was 30 pips. Damn. W, if you got that trade, W's in the chat. Damn. Made 1% there, chat. 1%. 50 minutes resistance, weak entry, resistance. Damn, the resistance play always play. Right, Chad? The resistance play always play, gang. Holy. Damn, you nice reactions on the 5. 48 pips, 47 pips. Damn. Chad, what you gonna do now? Oh, 90 wins already, chat, on the YouTube live stream. Plus 30 pips. Chat, make sure you like the stream here. All right, like the stream, subs to the channel. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can follow me. Link is in description. How many of you guys got the same trade? How much you got there? How many pips? How much in USD2? Let me know in the chat. Drop it in the chat. Oh, pushing. It's pushing. Damn. Daily flipping bearish. 25 USD. Wow, W. W. Who else got the same trade? Chat. Let me know how many pips, how much in USD. Dun, 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 dun. Uh, 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 uh. $29 USD. Wow. W Sing. W. We snipe the market. We snipe the market, gang. We bully the market. Let's see what will happen here in price. Man, we push up here. We have levels here. There's no closure yet on price on the 15th, so there's high chance that this candle might come down. Yeah. Let's see. I'm still gonna stay on the stream today. Still early today, chat. Still early. Still 12 p.m. But if you got, if you got the trade, you can call it a day. You don't forget to enjoy your day, gang. Okay, don't focus on only on the chart, only on study. So I'd say if you guys are always in the stream in 10 months already, man, I believe you learn a lot of things. You learn price actions, you learn how to enter a trade, you learn how to manage the risk, you learn how to I'd say close half, right? You learn how to manage the trade, you adapt to the market. Yeah. Trading is always here, right? Let's say if you're down this week, if you're down this month, there is a next month and there is a next day, there is a next week, right? So I always telling this to you guys that don't over trade, don't over risk. We need to stay here long term. We need to stay in the game. Stay in the game, chat. So yeah, I'm still on the chart. So if you are like, let's say I'm still on the stream, right? I'm not saying that I'm gonna call it the stream already. I'm still on the stream. So while I'm still on the chart, I'm still hunting a trade. I'm still looking for high probability setup. Okay. Sometimes before, right? Before we were taking 2 to 3 trades in one session, like London session. Let's see, because there is a lot of volume today. As you can see, the candles are moving, right? Moving 100 pip. One candle, 15 minutes candle moving 100 pip. 5 minutes candle moving 95 pip. So we have volume. We just need to wait for high probability. 30 pips. Wow. Congrats, Vina. W. Who else? John. How much you got there, John? How much you got there, Johnny? Chat, if you have any questions, okay, drop it in the chat. Let me know. Drop it in the chat and make sure you like the stream, subs to the channel. Support the channel, gang. Oh, moving up. Damn. We filled the range already on the left-hand side. Gold is, what is this? Corrections again to the top side. Damn. We moved yesterday 1,000 pip. Right now we're moving up again. Dang. So here closing above here was nice too. Right? We have clean traffic. Clean traffic. How much we're up this week? How many London sessions we got? Start this week. Start 6. Okay, start at 6. Here. 52 bips. We got, I know. 20. London. Oh, we're up 107 pips, chat. On London session. Oh, this is NY. Sorry. Yeah, it's NY London, this one. 15. And this one. So we're up 87 pip, gang. Right? We're up 87 pip this week. I mean, on the stream. And overall, I'd say I'm up 75. I lose last. Yeah, NY gold sells there. But you guys are up 87 pip on this month. Okay, 174 pip, man. Right? 174. If you're having, like, if you're having discipline, if you're up playing, let's say your lot size is 0.1, you might have $174 already on the month, right? Damn, W, everybody. Another day, another dubs. I'm gonna do some stories today. Chat, can you spam some W's in the chat, gang? Spam some dubs in the chat. I wanna see in the chat. Spam some W's in the chat, gang. I'm gonna do some stories today, chat. Let's go. Thank you, gang. Thank you. Oh, pushing up. Holy. No top wick on the 15. So right now I'd say we there's no sales yet. Okay. We just take the advantage on this kind of resistance area because we know that there's a high chance that we can react on this area. Why? Because of this wicks on the left hand side. And I expect this. I know that we have a lot of volume. Once the candle react, we need to take the trades and take the 30 pips, 40 pips, whatever you call it. And there is a high chance, as you can see, swift all the highs on the left. And I drew it this, right? Early in the live stream, I drew this candle that this might push up because of having some range to the left. It's clean traffic, right? So yeah, that's the reason, that's the idea. We're breaking out the range. So right now, no top wick closure. Um yeah. Let's see how this candle close. Is this good onion setup too? Once this candle close. Like probably like this. To taking sell to move down. Retesting the lows again. So yeah, let's see here, gang. I'm still gonna stay in the stream. Still early here, chat. I'm still gonna hunt. Alright, too many winners here as you can see. We got the sales here, right? Top and resistance area. We got 30 pips. Too many winners as you can see. Spamming W's in the chat. Doop doop. Chat, if you have any questions, alright? Any questions, let me know. You can drop it in the chat. Nine minutes for candle to close. 9 minutes. 30 minutes is about to close too. Damn. The 4 hour flip. Yeah, 4 hour flip. Daily flip. Yeah, daily flip. 4 hour flip. Mm-hmm. Ta- Damn, late candle, 8:30 p.m. move on. It's night 8. Yeah, it's 8:30 p.m. move yesterday night. Holy, 9 p.m. move still. Them some corrections. Chameno, how many trades you're taking per day? How many trades? Let me know in the chat. Drop it in the chat. How many trades you're taking per day? How many trades you're taking per day here, chat? 3 max. Wow. Nice. W. That's nice. 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 Yep. Nice. 1 to 2 trades. Depends on the opportunity. Wow. Damn. You guys are having a discipline now, huh? Good job. I mean, yeah. 0 to 3 trades. Nice. Average 5 to 7. Oh, nice. 5 to 7. Okay. Eric, 0 to 3 trades. Nice. 4 mocks, London and NY only. Oh, nice. Oh, you guys are evolving, huh? Level up. Leveling. W guys. Yeah, that was a big changes there, chat, because you cannot. I mean, I'd say if you guys still taking 10 trades, 20 trades a day, man, it doesn't make sense because you probably gonna take some loss there in between trade, right? You don't need to do that. Just 1 to 2 trades a day, right? And I'd say that if you want to be profitable into trading, you don't need to rely on someone's trade. I mean, in here in the live, if you guys are following me for since I start streaming, you guys are good because this is not all about signals. This is all about mentoring. This is all about mentoring, that I'm sharing the value, I'm sharing the strategy that I have. And if you guys are having the same strategy and you guys still want to learn more, yeah, it's all about adapt to the market. But really good changes for you guys there. You are taking like three, maximum three, 2 to 3 trades. Yeah, that's big changes. W, congrats. Because I've been there, I've been on the process of taking too many trades, but it doesn't make sense. Because once you take too many trades, you know your mind is having emotional decisions. Our mind is always having emotional decisions, right? So yeah, experiment different scalping strategy for small gains anytime if the day, and one big trade, big 2 trades. Yeah, it's exploring, no problem. Exploring, but you need to stick with, I'd say, one strategy is enough. You don't need to do too many strategies. You're just gonna ruin your mind. Because let's say, okay, if you're, let's say, as my experience, all right, so I have knowledge in between price action, supply and demand too. And so when I try supply and demand, I'm having some confusion between price actions, how the candle move, volume, and supply and demand. But supply and demand is really good strategy, right? But when you hold that strategy, let's say you hold that strategy here, and you having the different we have one price action, you have supply and demand. Now you're getting confused. Oh, I have set up on supply and demand. I have demand zone here, the price stop here in this area. What should I do? Right? But the candle is still not close. Right? I need to wait for support. So that's why you need to stick with one strategy, follow one strategy, and yeah, experiment. You if you get a scalp, you learn the scalp. Yeah, just show up, be consistent. For me, I'm not swing trader. I'm a session trader. Technically, it's scalp. We scalp the market, right? Holding the trades for 2 to 3 minutes, maximum 5 or 15 minutes. It depends on how the candle move. So yeah, and still 2 years in process. I'm still here. I'm not changing the strategy that I have. Focus on one strategy, gang. So yeah, you're gonna be good. Focus one strategy, 1 to 2 trades a day, maximum three, and you're gonna be good. Don't chase the money, right? Chase the skills. Money will always follow if you have the skills already. It's really painful to lose money. It's really painful to blow our accounts, right? That's why you need to, if you guys still failing, you guys still losing, you need to diagnose those things, right? Diagnose those things, learns the things, and yeah. What's your strategy? What's my strategy? Based on price action, I'd say price actions based on candles, volume, structure. So yeah. First time here. Okay, nice. Make sure you subs to the channel, right? Subs to the channel. I do live stream every single day, Monday through Friday. So yeah, welcome to YouTube live stream. Right? So yeah, man. Congrats everybody. 3 max trade. Yeah, that's a big changes there. W, nice. Nice, nice, nice. CJ, what's up, gang? How you doing? The best rapper in Dubai, bro. In the building. I'm a beginner. Thank you for the advice, coach. No problem. You're welcome. Yeah, if you have any questions in your mind right now, chat, drop it in the chat. Oh, candle close. 15 minutes candle close. Damn, we move already. We move down. Possible bang mag-ATH uli? For now, I'd say because we moved already yesterday. We moved, I'd say, 1,100 pip. Yeah, we moved 1,200 pip. But there is a high chance that we can move all-time high. But really risky to take buy here right now because we move. This is heavy move, right? Heavy move, heavy move, heavy move. Right? We have move, move, move. Right? So yeah, I'd say buy-in. Yeah, this is good price for buy, but I'm not gonna take buys here. But I'm still bullish on gold. But if you wanna, but right now I'm gonna look for sales because we have structures now. And as you can see, all of October we just getting some sales. I just trade against the trend here, but it's all high probability setup. Right, this one. All sells, no buy. Buy on 30 September. Got some buys here. So yeah. Our trading gold, yeah, I trade gold only. London sessions, yeah, London session. Yeah, I'm planning to hop on the New York sessions too, but let's see how I'm gonna hop on to the New York sessions. But yeah, let's see. Would you consider another trade in the same sessions? Yeah, I'm still on the chart, so if I'm still on the chart, I'm still hunting a trade here. Okay. So yeah, so I write this. Right now we have resistance form here. Right, this is a nice setup actually, but we push down already. Once this candle re-break the low, I might, I might take some sales, but let's see. Stops gonna be 38 pip stops. Let's see once this candle re-break once again. I'm late. Why you're late? Naka-props ka po or live? I do both. Yeah, I do both. I have props, I have live account too. Let's see here. Once this candle re-break the lows, no top. Let's see. Once you re-break this, tops should be up here, 37 pip. Once you re-break, if this candle didn't re-break, you might see consolidation here. What times start stream? 11:30 a.m. Dubai time. 11:30, yeah, 11:30. To. All right, reactions. Thanks, good solid learnings today. Signals are just bonus, but the real gold is the learning. Yeah, that's the real deal. The learning every single day. I'd say if you want to be profitable, you don't need to rely on someone's rate. All right, don't rely yourself into someone. If you want to be profitable, you need to stand up. You need to level up yourself. I'd say, right? But if you're holding the same strategy that mine, yeah, just show up in the stream. Show up in the stream. Because if you wanna be like this trading as your profession, yeah, you need to rely on your trade. And that's it. Who's your mentor? My mentor is Raja Banks. In terms of, I have too many mentors, right? In terms of, but my strategy, Raja Banks, yeah. Do. Mm, 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 mm. 7 minutes for a candle to close. So I might wait for exact closure. This is gonna be a good closure here. Once this candle close, probably bullish with the wick body. Yeah, we might have impulse entry on the next 15 minutes candle probably. But let's see. Chat, gonna see 20 likes in the stream here. Like the stream, gang. Gonna see 20 likes in the stream. Like the stream, everybody. Clean traffic going down in 7 minutes. We have 200 pip clean traffic. So same strat. Just show up in the stream. I have videos here. I'd say same strat. I have video. Support and resistance. Just check that. Go to the video. So this is the one, right? How to find support and resistance. So this is the one that you need to learn first. If you want to learn the strategy, this is that support resistance gonna help you how to find support and resistance in all time frames. First, that's the first step. And then the setup, you just need to show up every single day on the YouTube live stream. Doo-doo-doo-doo. 5 minutes for candle to close. Doo-doo-doo. Right, GG, we good. You see that? How to find support resistance? Mm-hmm. 4 minutes and 26 seconds for candle to close. Damn. Can we see some melt on the next 15? We're gonna see some melt. I have reels. I have too many reels on the here on YouTube. Just watch it. How I'm taking trades. What the setup looks like. So yeah, check out the reels too. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Mhm. Stop getting too much busy. Bye. Yeah, where have you been? Bye. I told you to go to, but you don't go to. The mods is busy. The buy is busy. Too much pressure. Buy. Why too much pressure? Just don't make pressure. Too, too much. Too much. All right, 2 minutes here, Ja. Two, 2 minutes. 2 minutes for candle to close. If the candle close with a big body candle with a bullish, we might wait for another candle to close below the range. Like this to take a sell. Full-time trader, yeah. Richard, have you said before that we are expecting some volumes today? Can you tell us from the economic calendar? Oh, I cannot tell in the economic calendar. There's no like I'd say the volume that I'm talking about is the candle move, right? This candle move is a volume, right? You need to read how the candles move in terms of how the candles move 183 pip. Does mean you have a lot of volume. That's the volume that I'm talking about. And if you want to look on the Forex Factory, yeah, we have news that can price push, right? Volume to 6 p.m. Because right now we're talking about volume. It's all about the session. Right now we're in the London sessions. 11 a.m. is the London Open. We see volume. The candles are bigger. That's the volume that I'm talking about. I learned that how to read candles. So, yeah. Oh, candles are pushing once again. Damn. No closure below. We have closure above. We have the next level right here. Right? We have next level right here. 3994. So, let's see. And then the next level that we need to be aware of is a clean traffic going up. So, this one is a clean traffic. We have clean traffic here too, right? This technically a no tradable zone now. That's how we read price. Where's the price gonna headed with the candle move, candle volume? Oh, yep. We Gucci. We good. Oh damn, no bottom wick, no top wick, price pushing up. Snap. Tapping 30 minutes resistance. Oh, pushing up. Clean traffic going up. Clean, clean. Two, 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 two. Shout out to 33 viewers right now. Chat, make sure you like the stream. Like the stream, subs to the channel. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can follow me. Link is in description below. For more trading content. So here's the Instagram chat. If you want to follow, right? There is a lot of content here, right? As you can see, too many content. How I take trades to the market. So yeah, if you want to follow that, follow. The 30 looks clean. 40 pips back. Wow, W Eric. Oh, where's the 30? This 30 minutes open. You put your resistance probably here. Nice. I mean, yeah. W. For me, I'm not gonna take buys here at the top. That's really risky for me. I'm just gonna watch price move because we move already from the down, from the support. This is the move. From here, we move. So now I'm not gonna chase that move. I'm gonna look for another opportunity. And we got another opportunity in this zone. I mark this as my resistance, right? This candle are pushing up with the 100 pip move, 120 pip. We got the opportunity to take a sell on the resistance 3975 on the dot. Taking sell there and got 30 pips. Got on early in the live stream around 12 p.m. ish. So this the trade 3975 on the dot, and then yep. See chat, look at that. That's why trading is still here, right? Because there is too many sellers, there is too many buyers, right? That's why trading will not go anywhere. Because buyers and sellers always in the market. We have different perspective in terms how you sit on the chart. So yeah, that pretty much. Eric are getting back 40 pips. How much is that? 10 grand, Eric? 5K? Fill the 4-hour range. Let's see a 4-hour range. Yeah, okay, yeah. 4-hour range resistance. That's nice. W. I didn't expect this gonna re-break again the highs there. Damn. 4-hour consolidating here. Buyers still in the market. That was crazy. Buyers still in the market. They want to buy gold. Eric making bag 10 grand. Eric, right? a little risk. How much? 3K? Yeah, a little risk 3K. It's 3K there. 3K, 3K. One, two. Wow, man. W. This Eric making bags. You got the cells too, or you're just take the buys. You got the same trade with us cells. Boom 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 boom. Doo doo doo. Oh, you just hop on the show. Oh, it's okay. Oh, cha, by the way, on Monday, I'm not gonna stream, all right? We have bank holiday on Monday, so multiple bank holiday, JPY, USD, but GBP, there's no holiday, but I'm not gonna stream on Monday. Probably, but I don't know. I don't think if there's volume on Monday. I probably gonna enjoy the day on Monday. Tuesday, yeah, come back on Tuesday. Oh, Pavel speak on Tuesday. Damn, 7:30 p.m. Holy smokes. Oh, Wednesday, CPI. Oh, they're gonna pop up CPI now. Delay, right? It's gonna be some delay. 4:30 p.m. and Thursday. Ooh, PPI, employment gains. Friday, NFP. Oh, shiz. They move, chat. Right? I knew it. They're gonna move. Holy. It's tentative. Still tentative. I don't know. But we'll see some market volume on this once they pops up this kind of news. But Thursday, there's no tentative. But I hope this is gonna be the date already on the CPPI. And Tuesday, CPI. Yeah, it's interesting week next week, chat. So yeah, we need to prepare ourselves. But on Monday, I'm not gonna stream. I'm gonna see you on Tuesday. You need to enjoy your day, chat. Okay, just a little bit, little break onto the chart, relax a little bit, and then come back on Tuesday. You have Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Relax, just review the trades, right? Just review your trades, clearing your mind. What does it actually mean? Bank holiday, like those banks are off. Yeah, those banks are off. Probably there's no volume, but the others are still in. So why to skip? Yeah, for me, because I know I have experience already when the bank is closed. Like there's bank holiday, there's no volume. All right, you're just gonna watch the price probably consolidating like this, like that. It's like that, and then too many weeks like this. So it doesn't make sense. That's why I don't wanna hop on to the chart once there is a bank holiday. Okay, so yeah, just give yourself a little break, clearing your mind on those kind of bank holiday. You don't need to trade that. Even US, right? US time, you don't need to show up in the street or show up in the chart taking trades. No, right? Just clear your mind, right? Bank holiday on Monday. You don't need to take trades on Monday. But if you guys wanna right now, if you guys still new, still beginning on trading, yeah, you can do whatever you want. You can take trades on bank holiday. It's up to you. You decide. Right? Be my guest. Take the trade. But for me, no, I'm not gonna take any trade on during this kind of bank holiday. You have Asian session bank holiday. JPY is an Asian session. And yeah, bank holiday on US. So technically no directions once they're close. All right, makes sense. For our closure, yeah, for our closure, it's still on the range. So we might see. So once this in the range like this, we might see bottom wick before pushing up because you have steeper bottom wick here that create on the price. So yeah, man, steeper bottom wick, or we might see this chat. If the open no top wick, we might see push down. Oh yeah. Let's see, gang. Let's see, chat. Jack, now you making profit today? You have some profit today, right? You are doing live already, right? Jagna, you're trading live, right? Live, live, live. Yes, wow. You make profit today? With your trade. Wow, W. Nice, congrats. So yeah, congrats. Congrats. Yeah, but still small loss. Yeah, I mean, profit is profit, You have some profit. Yeah, just enjoy the money. You made some profit. Just that's all, Right? Yesterday took more, but I'm happy because I am feel learning. Yeah, you're learning. Yes. Yesterday took more trades. Oh, you took more trades yesterday. Nice. I hope that's win. Okay, that's win. You have some win, or you take loss yesterday. Wins. Wow, W. Nice. Nice. All right, no closure above. Candle didn't close above the structure. Well, one loss. Yeah, we lost part of a game, so it's okay. It's okay. Try re-breaking the 4-hour highs here. Dun, 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 dun. Clean traffic going up. That was crazy clean traffic. Mm, 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 mm. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Mhm, mhm. Same ka po ng prop. Same ka po ng strat mo sa live. Yes, it's the same. Yeah. So technically, if I took trade on the prop, it's the same how I took trades on the live. It's the same. The same. 7 minutes for candle to close, man. We have so you have yeah, resistance here, support. Mm. To 3 minutes. Wow, candle closing above the range. Mm, 2 minutes. Damn, we're still pushing up. Uh, Sweeping a lot. Sweeping a lot. Stick ka lang on one time frame. Yo, I use 15, 30, 4 hour. Yeah, this is how I correlate all the trades. 15, 30. I look for trades on the 15. Sometimes I look for the 30. And I always look on the 4 hour time frame. Yeah. Damn, massive volume today, chat. Volume is voluming. Mm, 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 mm. We're back on 4K. Clean traffic. RRR, I don't use risk reward ratio. I don't use risk reward. But normally my R is 1:1 R. I don't use RR. Alright, close above, man. Now it's really hard to take buy. Where you gonna put your stop? 100 pip stops. Move in. Dang, from 3958. If you got buys here, 400 pip move. Holy guac. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So chat for me, all right. For taking sales, once again, you need to wait for candle to close probably 3986. Back in the range here. This would be nice once you see this. Probably you're gonna see this push up here again. And candle close back in the range. Yeah. Clean traffic going down. So yeah, this is gonna be the structure. For now, no buys. Yeah, if you want to take buys, you should buy on 39. Wait for 3973 support form because this is really move a lot already. Move 400, 500 pip on this structure. So yeah, chat. I might call it the stream here. Thank you guys for tuning into the live stream. Right. I'm gonna see you guys on Tuesday. All right, chat. So yeah, man. Love and wisdom to you all, chat and W's in the chat. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Right? Peace and love. I'm out here, gang. See you on Tuesday.
That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie I ain't talking about the rich ones, cause every summer he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you were a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying, for me giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince would do. If not for the pledge, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible. Hey.